Hello, I am Aditi from Kerala. I am a mother of three kids. I came to know about Wellcure from Facebook. My third child was born with congenital hypothyroidism. TSH was more than 100 at birth, so I was told to start my baby on 25 mg of thyroid medicine. When she was 14 months, she got febrile seizure and hospitalized, and doctor prescribed to give tablet whenever temperature rises. I was told this can happen till 5 years of age. I was very stressed out due to all these conditions. Again, when she was 19 months, she got high fever. I gave her the medicine and suddenly her eyes rolled up. In panic, I went to hospital and admitted her. In the hospital, they said it was blood infection and she was given antibiotics through drip. But she developed allergy like rashes on skin towards medicine and to some food also. After 3 days in hospital, I took discharge on my risk and planned to look after baby at home. She got fever again and breathing used to stop for few seconds. I was so tensed and tired of those frequent hospital visits. I came to know about stress-free program from Wellcure and joined. Through the program, I came to know about my health coach Asha Shivaran and she gave me some advice but told me to take more detailed consultation. My baby was continuing to show the ill effect of medicine and rolling up of eyes many times a day. Now I consulted with a neurologist. She told to take medicine again for 5 years if it happens again. She said it can cause autism or maybe due to some growth in brain. In the time of 2 weeks, my baby was given B12, iron and zinc supplement. At that time, her IgE was very high. It was very stressful time. That month, most of the day, I was running to hospital and doing so many checks, scanning, EEG, with a fear that she may have some other disease. I thought of natural way of curing disease of baby. I started praying to help my baby. Between I used to call Asha ma'am to explain the issue. I was told to join for a more detailed session, one-to-one consultation, to get awareness of nature cure and gain confidence to heal my baby. It really helped me a lot. After 2 weeks, my stress level reduced for that Asha ma'am helped me a lot. And based on the consultation of Dr. Prashanthi and Asha ma'am, I started practicing nature cure for me and for my baby. In between, I saw various changes happening in baby. I used to get worried. But Asha ma'am and Dr. Prashanthi helped to overcome that worries. I stopped all medicine for my baby. Within 3 months, most of the health issues of the baby disappeared. I too feel very energetic than before and I lost my 5 kilo. I'm still continuing nature care principles for my baby and me and plan to continue throughout my life and trying to develop on my other kids and spreading to my family members and friends. Now my baby is 2.3 years of age. Recently I got the thyroid level of my baby checked and everything is normal. I'm very thankful to Nature Cure, Asha ma'am, Dr. Prashanthi and others in Wellcare group.